Alright guys, let's look into Spiderman push-ups today. All you have to do is get into a good plank position, keep your palms shoulder width apart, and get your knee all the way to the elbow as you go into a push-up. Notice how I'm not breaking this into two different movements, and also try not to stick your elbows out. Here's a regressed version of this one with your knees down, and you have to apply the same rules by getting the knee all the way to the elbow as you go down. Alright, now let's talk about things to avoid. Number 1, do not drop your hips too low. Number 2, do not turn your hips side to side or the entire body side to side. And lastly, don't keep your hips too high. And once you get better at Spiderman push-ups, you can take it to the next level by keeping the leg all the way straight and extended. I hope you guys enjoy it.